Okay, first of all, we can use the rectangle. Click from the origin, and we can uh, speculate about the length and of the depth of this building. It's around 18 and 15 meter. This is 18, this is 15 meter. Then we can click this surface and select push pull. We can select a push in here, approximately 5 meter. Okay, now this is the basic shape. Then we can make the another elements in here. We can push it to the behind. Okay, and then we can make the line again in here and push it to the front again. Okay, okay, and after that we can triple click and then make group. Okay, then now we can make the rectangle and we can push it up. Okay, and then we can click this one, and okay, we can make the line again. Okay, then we can move the line, sorry, we can push it to the front like this, and we can move the line to the front just like this. Okay, we just make the another phenomenal house in here. Okay, now we can make the another openings in here. We can push it to the behind just like this. Okay, and then yeah, we can click this line. Sorry, we can click this line and select a move, type control, place the position, type / and enter, and also this one. Make the little bit in here, and also this one. We can click this line, select a move. Then we can type 3/ and enter. I'm sorry. You can move, tap control, place this position, then you can type 3/ and enter. Okay, now for this glazing, we can select move, tap control, and then we can type 3/ and also enter. Okay, right now we can choose the glazing. We can choose the glazing in here. Okay, and then we can place the glazing in here and make group. Okay, so this is about the basic shape. Or okay, this is the basic shape, and then we can screenshot this basic shape. Okay, we can screenshot, or maybe we can make the railing first. We can make the railing for the rooftop first in here. We can triple click and select move, tap control. Sorry, we can move, tap control, type 1.1 meter. Okay. We can triple click, make group, and assign about the glazing. Okay, now we can screenshot this one. We can screenshot the raw 3D. Okay, now we can place to this Gemini platform, and we can activate about the nano banana, create the picture, and I've already prepared about the prompt. We can just copy it and paste on the space like this, and we can click the send, and then we can wait about the result about the AI rendering prompting that we have been request in advance. It takes several times because it's calculate about it. Okay, this is about the result. This is about the result. If it's not just a rendering, it's not just a raw rendering, but it gives us inspiration about the access landscape in here. It gives us inspiration about the placing, about the placement of the landscape and arrangement of the landscape, and also the another finishing elements. It's give us inspiration about the lighting composition on this interior and also the exterior, and also the environment, make it so realistic and also representative. It's not just render, but it's a realistic presentation. Okay, maybe it has several something in the behind, but it's okay, so we can explore more about it on the 3D model and much more. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to see about my next surprising tutorial and surprising video. Okay, I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.